In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize emphasis in your writing effectively. Emphasis is a powerful tool that can dramatically enhance the impact of your communication. It helps to draw attention to key points and convey your message more clearly. When used appropriately, emphasis can transform a simple statement into something impactful and memorable. Let's dive into how you can achieve this. First, let's talk about capitalization. Using capital letters for emphasis is simple yet effective. When you capitalize a word or phrase, it stands out immediately. It's like raising your voice just slightly to stress a particular point. For example, if you're giving instructions or highlighting an important fact, you might write something like, "This is important." The use of capital letters tells the reader that this information is something they should pay close attention to and remember. Next, let's look at quotation marks. Quotation marks can also be used to emphasize a phrase. When you quote a word or phrase, it gives it a special significance, almost like it's a quote you'd hear from a wise old saying or an expert. For instance, if you're noting a common expression or an iconic phrase, you might say, "It's very powerful." This signals to the reader that the phrase carries weight or is widely recognized, prompting them to consider it more deeply. Now, for an even greater impact, you might consider combining both capital letters and quotation marks. When used together, they create an undeniable emphasis that leaves no room for misinterpretation. This combination is akin to highlighting text with a bright marker. It demands attention. You can use this by saying, "This is very powerful," which unmistakably tells your reader that this piece of information is both critical and potentially transformative. For those employing tools like the 11v3 model for audio, there's an added layer of expressiveness you can harness. By clicking the Enhance button, you can automatically generate audio tags that make your speech more dynamic and engaging. This feature adds an emotional cue to your words, making your message even more effective. Plus, you have the option to manually insert tags, such as emphasis, to specify the emotional tone you want to convey. This flexibility allows you to tailor your message precisely according to the context and audience. To wrap it up, mastering the art of emphasis in your writing and speech can significantly amplify your communication skills. Remember, whether you're using capital letters, quotation marks, or advanced audio tools, the key is to use these methods purposefully and judiciously. By doing so, you ensure that your message not only reaches your audience but resonates with them. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you communicate more effectively and powerfully.